Baby, no, honey. I want you wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Oh, fall over. The wheelbarrow's getting tired. Wheelbarrow.
It's better when I got to go
Oh,
upstairs.
that's not a very good video. Okay, this is freaky. Oh, and he caught him balanced. Woo! Check that out. Okay, flip. 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 Whee! Woo! Look at that. This is called Baby Acrobats. Check that out. Total baby strength. This is leg muscle. Oh, wow. Woo! Right up on the shoulder. Do you see that? That is awesome. Stand up. Whoop. This takes total leg and core muscle strength. This is all baby. Oh, there he goes. And up. And he totally balances on the shoulder in a swing motion. Oh, wow. And then, oh, this is the one that Caleb... Nope, you're not doing it. Oh, okay. Never mind. And he dives. And he comes back up. That's so awesome. My son should totally be in the circus. Woo!
And...
Woo! And he just loves every second of it.
Jump! Jump this way. Okay. Let's go.